Hi there, this is Crypto. Okay, so yeah, because of all this stuff going on in Ukraine and Russia, the markets took a bit of a dump today, and I really wish I've turned on these two profit sniper indicators earlier on, because this short flag here, which is from Profit Sniper X, is lining up beautifully with this red line here from this thing called Profit Sniper Perfect Shot. Now the red line here is to do with when the MACD crosses down, and the short flag, I think this one comes from various momentum oscillators and things like that. I was looking back in the past, and there's quite a few good ones. This one here. So you had the short and then the red line shortly afterwards. That was a great big dump as well. And it seems like the closer that red line is to the short flag, the closer it is, the more violent the dump is. Here's a good one. So short there, this was in January, then the red line appears. Now if you'd have gone short there, you know, look, you could have gone all the way down there. Well, it's better than I thought, actually. So if, say, like you'd waited for that red line there, so you'd be about there, and then you'd ridden that down to the bottom, you could have made 18% there. So on 10x leverage, you're looking at almost like 200%, which is quadrupling your money. So yeah, I think that I should use these indicators a bit more, I think. Certainly if I'd have done that this morning, I would have probably come out of my long trade. I'm not actually too worried though, because it's very low leverage, and if you look at it, I mean, it looks terrible now because it looks like I'm $3,000 down, but in actual fact my liquidation price is now at 32,000, so I don't think we're going to go that low. And if we do go down towards there, I've got, you know, plenty of dry powder that I can add in at lower levels to lower the entry point. So overall, I'm not worried about that. So yeah, it's all pretty grim. I watched various bits of news and stuff, and I can't work out exactly what's going on. I think there's been a bit of FUD, to be honest. And, you know, people are a bit worried in Kiev, but not as worried as the rest of the world thinks they are. So maybe nothing's going to happen. If that's the case, I can see a return to much higher prices. Anyway, on a positive note, I had an email today from ByBit saying that my bonus is ready. Now, if you remember, or if you're a regular viewer, you'll remember that a few weeks ago I did a deposit into this ByBit account, and it wasn't a new ByBit account. It was just a straight ByBit account, but I did sign up with the Profit Sniper affiliate link, which is the one in the description below. I don't get anything from that, by the way. I don't get a penny from that. But if you use that, and you join Profit Sniper, you will then get these free indicators and stuff like that. And there is a special offer on at the moment, and I've got a coupon code that gets you an extra 10% off as well. And it's like $450 for lifetime, and I think that's well worth it, to be honest. Anyway, enough about that. Let's claim my bonus. So apparently I just need to go to the rewards hub to claim it. So let's have a look. Yeah, you have exclusive rewards. Cool. You have 0 new rewards. Oh, hang on. Oh, there you go. Okay, so yeah, I've only got 10 days to claim it, so let's claim it now. $1,200 worth of Bitcoin, so let's claim that. Okay, so I'm kind of guessing that went into my derivatives account. Oh yeah, it did, yeah. You can see here, bonus. So I actually got 0.028725534 Bitcoin for free. So I wonder how long it'll take to use that up in fees and things like that. Be interesting to know, wouldn't it? Anyway, so as I say, this trade I'm not worried about. I'm pretty sure everyone will realise the news was just FUD, and the price will come back and everything will be cool. Now, what's also cool is I got a email from SwissBorg saying that I've got a free NFT I can claim. So let's have a look at that. Okay, so it says, we want to thank you for your faith in us and your contributions to SwissBorg. As a memento of the appreciation we have for you, here is your own unique Genesis Premium NFT. Much like you, our Genesis Premium community members, each NFT is completely unique. No Genesis Premium member will receive the exact same NFT. So I click here to claim my NFT. So to do this, I need the Engine app on my phone. And this is quite cool because at the show the other night in Lausanne in Switzerland, they were doing this thing where every now and again they'd show a QR code on the screen, and people could try and win various NFTs. Okay, so I'll just do a screenshot of this. Okay, it says, thank you for supporting SwissBorg as a Genesis Premium user. This is one of the 6,000 unique NFTs and proves that you were a Genesis Premium user when the account closed on February the 1st, 2022. This NFT does not provide any advantages in the SwissBorg app, and your Genesis Premium account cannot be sold or transferred via the sale or transfer of this NFT. So claim asset, password. Okay, so I got this message saying asset will be sent soon.
And in fact, that only took a few minutes really. And then I went over to my wallet and I could see that I'd completely forgotten that I had this 20th Protect and Burn volcano type thing as well. So there you go, I've got 2 NFTs, which don't appear to be worth much, but you know, people do seem to be trying to sell these things for 99,000 Jin, or whatever that is. I don't know, Engine. Does that equate to maybe what Engine is worth? I mean, if that was the case, then Engine is $1.67 right now. So 99,000 Eng would actually be quite a lot of money. Anyway, so I have 2 NFTs. I don't know, there's just something about NFTs that I don't quite get, but I'm sure I will one day. Anyway, so that's the end of the video. So if you've enjoyed that, do give it a like. If you didn't like it, click dislike twice just to make sure. Please leave a nice comment, tick the notification bell, and above all, tell your friends.